हेलो या हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आई होप यू डूइंग एब्सोल्युटली फाइन। सो आज हम अनबॉक्सिंग करने वाले हैं इस माओनो प्रोफेशनल गेमिंग पॉडकास्टिंग माइक्रोफोन किट की एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट्स इन द बॉक्स। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। वंस वी गो हियर एंड ओपन द बॉक्स, the first thing we get is the cover, the mic cover for the noise cancellation. Let's keep it aside. Then we get a wire that is USB A type to USB normal, and it has the holder. This is also the holder, and here we get is the complete the finish is quite good. It is of complete metal body, quite heavy. Keep it aside here, and let's check. We also get this card here inside, and this. So let's keep it here. Apart from this, what's in the box? We get this holder as well. This is also of metal, quite heavy. So that's it. This is the complete stuff we get. So I'll show you how to go ahead and assemble it and how does it looks like. So this is how we assemble it, and I think this is how we assemble this. This is how we tight this one. Then that's how this is tight this A, and then let's see. Okay, so here how this is tied, and then this is how completely looks like. This is just a small unboxing for it. So this is how you connect it from here. The wire, I'll show you this as well. Here we go. And then this would be connected to the computer. So actually I ordered this for someone else. किसी और के लिए order किया था quite long back, like 7-8 महीने पहले, I think उससे भी ज़्यादा. And Amazon पे return कर नहीं पाया. I got delayed कि late हो गया return करने में. So it was kept with me. So thought of doing an unboxing, and let's see if in case I would be playing games in future on the channel, so I would be using this. So thank you so much for watching, guys. In case you find it useful, please like and comment, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.